those gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros?
Of course.
To match my ear huggy. Can I have them? Ha! Over my dead body. You're fun. God, he loved his face. I could taste his final thought. He was so afraid. But he died a hero.
He died from murder, you dumb fuck.
And all I have to remember him by are these two gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros. This is for him.
Are you ready? You get to kill 100 youths? Fuck yeah, I'm ready.